What is up, guys? So today I'll be giving a tour of my house in Greenville, Wisconsin on Roblox. I just got it like a few minutes ago, so yeah, let's go check it out. Over here, I'll be doing a quick tour of it. It's so beautiful. All of the houses in this game are free, by the way, if you were wondering, but let's just go check it out. Let's just begin, though. Over here we have a door, the front door, got a doorbell. Yeah, let's go in. Here we are. So yeah, and here is just a closet. Over here, we have the living room. Pretty nice. We have a TV. You can turn it on. It tells you the news. So yeah. Over here we have a kitchen table. Pretty nice. And here we have a pantry. Over here we have a kitchen. And yeah. Over here we have a fridge, but it has nothing in it. Over here we have a nice little oven. Looks cool. All done. Alright, we got a sink. As you can turn on, it sounds nice. And the table, obviously. So yeah, let's do this area. And here we have a closet. Let's see, okay, we have over here, we have a bathroom. Yeah, okay, that's leaf light for it. Buses. Nice sink. And let's see, it says 11:50 a.m. p.m. So let's go in here. Okay, this is the garage. Okay, it's nice. I have a car. My car in here. It's so nice. And we'll open it. Okay, there we go. Alright, we'll close it from outside. And we'll go back in. We'll close it. Okay, and then we'll go back inside. Close that. Over here we have an office with a laptop, obviously. And here we have, I think we already did that. Oh, that's just a closet. And that's pretty much it for downstairs. Now we'll be moving upstairs. That's pretty much it. Yeah. In here, we have just a bedroom. In here, we have a bathroom. It's very large. Bathtub. Yeah. And toilet. Sinks. Actually, in here we just have a closet. And in here we have, okay, this is just a closet, but we're gonna forget it. Okay. This upstairs looks large. In here we have another bedroom with a computer. And we have another closet. And then we have, let's see what she is playing right now. Okay. That's nice. And then in here we have just a bathroom. Okay. And then in here we have another bedroom. In here we have a closet. Yeah. And here we have a laundry and dryer room. Laundry rooms. Over here we have a little living area. And that's the full house. So I think this is a really, really nice house. Definitely one of the nicest in the game, but I'll see you later. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys later. Bye.